feel like I haven't done a sit down, chit chat, just talking to my homies video in a really long time. So that's what I want to do today, guys. I'm going to update you on what's going on in my life. You can tell me what's going on in your life in the comments below. Oh my god, you guys, I have to tell you something. But before I tell you, I want you all to know that this video is sponsored by Walmart. Thanks to Walmart for sponsoring this video. Everyone has their own unique style, and Walmart Beauty is making it easy to express it. With amazing brands, they're making bold looks, emerging trends, and classic aesthetic achievable for your beauty needs. Walmart's assortment of beauty products empower everyone to show off their one-of-a-kind style. So check out walmart.com/beauty or visit your local Walmart store for the latest beauty products. First of all, look at my face. It's so pale. Wow, we're gonna have to fix that. If you couldn't tell, I just woke up, put on this shirt, and now I'm sitting here. I look like I slept on my face. I think I did. What was I gonna say? Oh, I remember! My yawn helped me remember. I was talking about sleep before and how I feel like I sleep on my face. Recently, I downloaded this app where it tracks your sleep cycles. So I can tell how much sleep I'm getting each night, and it records you while you're sleeping. So if you talk in your sleep or you snore, you get to hear all that. It's actually really funny. And guys, I just discovered I'm a snorer. I snore every night. Every night I press record, I wake up in the morning, and all I hear is... I feel like it's caused by stress. I don't know. But we're gonna address that a little later on in the video. For now, let's get started with not looking like this. I'm gonna put on some serum and some moisturizer so that, you know, my face looks a little more hydrated. I have been slugging overnight. You guys don't know what that is. It's basically when you put like Vaseline or like something like really thick like that doesn't absorb into your skin onto your skin after you do your skincare routine, right? So I'll put on like my normal serum, moisturizer, blah, blah, blah. And then I'll put on that heavier, thicker product that's too thick to seep into your skin. That's what's most important. It has to be something that's really thick, like a jelly or something that's not gonna seep into your skin. So not like a regular moisturizer. Because I wanna keep my face super hydrated. It really helped during the winter time, because there was a point in the winter time where my face was so dry, no matter what I did, it would just soak up all the products immediately. Now that it's getting a little bit warmer here, and when I say a little bit, I mean a little bit. It literally snowed last week. Because it's getting a little bit warmer now, my skin's not so dry. She's holding the moisture, as you can see, holding it very nicely. Don't forget that neck! I always massage my face now. Guys, when you get to a certain age, you gotta start lifting. Okay, we're looking a little bit better, but you know what would help even more, guys? This foundation from NYX. This is the Born to Glow foundation from NYX. That should be enough. As you guys know, I normally don't leave my house, and literally all I do is make content. So I decided for the next couple of weeks that I'm going to take a break. I'm gonna take a break from making like all forms of media. So if you see me posting, just know that I filmed all that before the break. So you guys are still gonna get a little bit of content, but I'm gonna get to sleep. Because honestly, at this point, your girl doesn't sleep. At least not properly. See, this foundation looked like it was too light at first, but it's actually perfect. Look at it. It's perfect. She's beautiful. Oh, I love this foundation. It's so glowy. It was born to glow. That's why they call it that. This is the color Almond, by the way, if you guys are wondering. I love NYX products because they're so affordable, but they're also really good. We're looking nice, guys. Okay, next step, gotta start applying a little bit of color corrector. I know some people like to put color corrector before everything, like they like to do that first, but I just like to do it before my concealer. So I'm gonna take this color correcting palette from NYX, and I'm gonna use this color right here. It's like a peachy kind of color, and I'm just gonna start putting it under my eye. And this really helps with my dark circles. I know I look crazy right now, but you guys gotta trust me. This relationship is about trust. On top of that, we're gonna take the NYX Bear With Me concealer. It has a pump, so I'm just gonna pump some on the back of my hand like that. And then I'm just gonna apply it like I normally do. Summer's coming up, so I gotta start thinking of some summer plans, guys. I already have a girls trip with my friends in August. August is actually gonna be a really busy month for me, like socially. I'm like super popular that month. I don't know why. Also in June, I'm gonna be going to VidCon. If you guys don't know what VidCon is, it's this big convention for YouTubers And I think like TikTokers and stuff go too, but like pretty much anyone who makes videos on the internet. I've never been to VidCon before, but I was invited last year, but of course it got canceled. This year it looks like it's actually gonna happen, so I'm super excited about that. I'm gonna have a meet and greet and everything. It's gonna be so cool. So if you guys can come, if you guys live in like the Los Angeles area, that's where it's gonna be at the end of June. And you guys get to meet me, but more importantly, I get to meet you. So that's gonna be really fun. So those are my only summer plans so far, is I'm going to VidCon and I'm going on a girls trip in August. But what am I gonna do in July? I got June and August covered. But what about July? July is actually my favorite month. I have to do something. So let me know in the comments below what I should do. I was thinking about maybe going to Korea, but isn't it the rainy season then? I don't know. Guys, it's eyebrow time. It's eyebrow time. Gotta zoom in. Today we're gonna use, you guessed it, NYX. This is their Thick It, Stick It brow mascara. We're gonna thick it and stick it. Run this through my brow. Oh, look at that. It's already looking better. Super gorgeous. I did recently see my brow lady, so yeah, the brows are pretty on point right now. They don't need much work. They're naturally beautiful. Okay, lately, all I do is put in some brow gel or some brow mascara, and that's it. I really love that makeup has become a lot more simple now. It's so much easier for people to do. So I know a lot of you guys are wondering, how come Darcei doesn't upload YouTube videos so much anymore? I don't know if you guys have noticed, but within the last 2 years or so, social media has completely changed, especially within the makeup beauty space. The beauty community on YouTube used to be the most popular community on YouTube, and now that's completely changed. People are barely making videos on makeup on YouTube anymore. If you try and look up makeup videos on YouTube, you're not really gonna get much. A lot of the big creators that we knew from before aren't uploading anymore. Over the last couple years, TikTok has become really popular, and therefore short form content has become really popular. This is difficult for a lot of people to understand, but just imagine that you are working at your job and you've been doing your job a certain way, and this is kind of the way that you've always done it. And then all of a sudden, you're told that you have to do your job a different way or you're gonna get fired. Because my job as a content creator depends on the trends that are currently going on right now, I have to follow the trends. Next, we're gonna use the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop powder. This is in the color Caramel. I'm just gonna use it wherever I had my concealer. So if you think I've disappeared from YouTube, I post a YouTube short every day, which is another reason why I need a break. And since I started posting shorts to my channel, I've gained over 500,000 subscribers. Some of my shorts get like 10, 20 million views. And if you look at the views on this video, I'm sure it's nowhere close to that. Things are changing, trends are changing. I know change is really hard and difficult, but if you don't change with things, you get left behind. There's a lot of YouTubers who just keep doing the same thing over and over and over again forever, and they never change and evolve, and eventually their channels die off and it's no longer sustainable as a career. I want to keep creating content. I want this to be my career. I want to keep going, so I can't stay in the same place forever, unfortunately. I know there's a lot of people who would love me to stay in the same place forever, but girl, I got bills to pay. Okay, next up is blush, and I'm gonna use an orange blush. If you guys don't know me, you probably think I'm crazy, but orange blush actually looks amazing on darker skin tones. So this is the Sweet Cheeks blush from NYX, and this is in the color Almost Famous. I feel like I'm gonna put a lot, but I just really want to be flushed with orange today. Just flush me. Flush me like a toilet. And I'm gonna take this eyeshadow palette from NYX. This is their Ultimate Queen palette. Look how pretty that is. Guys, it's so pretty. As you can see, I've already dug into it. I'm gonna take this brown shade and this shade and mix them together. And that's gonna be my base color. If you've been a little bit confused as to what's going on, so many creators have moved to making short form content. And currently, TikTok is the king of short form content. Really, every app has short form content now. And I know that myself and a lot of my friends have seen a lot of success doing short form content. And not only that, but short form content is really fun to make. And it also makes a lot of sense within the beauty space. Because say I want to review just one blush, I can't make an entire YouTube video about that, but I can make a 30-second TikTok. Usually if I'm gonna make a video about makeup products, I have to wait for a brand to drop an entire collection. Now brands can just drop one product and have it be talked about by everyone on TikTok. So individual products are going viral now instead of entire collections. Because entire collections can be so overwhelming. There's just like a lot to go through when you're doing an entire collection review. So I rarely do those anymore. And now I focus on just doing one product at a time. It's a lot less overwhelming for me and for you guys probably. But I know that a lot of people who are watching my channel aren't even watching it for makeup. They don't even wear makeup, but they're just watching it for me and my personality. And I totally get that. But you also have to remember that this is my channel and the content that goes on here has to do with me and what I want. And this is a makeup channel. Even though you guys love me for my amazing personality, I'm so cool. This was always meant to be a beauty and makeup channel. Like literally go back to my first videos 11 years ago and you'll see I was talking about beauty products. I was doing hairstyles. This has always been a beauty focused channel and I want to keep it that way. Okay, next we're gonna grab this color, I think, with a flat brush. It is super light. I might mix it with this one, I think. We're gonna mix these two colors together. And I'm gonna use it to do like a little faux cut crease. You guys know that's my thing. Oh yeah, look at that. This side looks so flat, and this side, she's sleek and sexy. Okay, I know I've been talking about TikTok this, TikTok that, but there is a part of TikTok that I don't like. And it's not just TikTok specifically, but short form content on every platform. A lot of content creators feel like they're kind of in this rat race where they constantly have to make content or else they're gonna fall off, they're gonna become irrelevant, and they're going to lose everything that they worked for. Because with the introduction of short form content, people's attention spans have become even shorter than they were before. And I'm gonna go ahead and say that's not a good thing. It makes it even harder on the people who are creating content for a living to keep up, to make our videos shorter and more flashy and more outrageous to keep people's attention. Because if we lose people's attention, we lose our entire career. It's like, again, imagine your job is telling you to increase your productivity like tenfold out of nowhere. Lately, I have been ditching lashes for just straight mascara. So I've been trying to find some really good mascaras I can keep in my arsenal. And this is one of them. This is called the On the Rise mascara from, you guessed it, NYX. That's what the brush looks like. So it's super volumizing. I'll go on TikTok and I will see TikTokers making 3, 4, sometimes even 6 videos a day. And I'm like, how are y'all doing this? They have to be spending all day, every day making TikToks. I can barely keep up with making 2 TikToks a day. Oh my God, you guys, look at my lashes. They look so good. So a lot of creators are finding it very difficult to keep up with the amount of content that people are demanding these days. And that includes me, guys, which is why I want to take just a little 2-week break just to refresh myself. I have honestly just been making content all day, every day. I wanted to do like a cute little get ready with me, but get ready with me to go where? I don't go anywhere. I wanted to do a little life update video, but update you on what? Because literally all I do is work. Every day I get up and I make TikToks, and that's all I do. I don't go anywhere. I don't do anything. All I do is I wake up, I work on social media, I go to sleep. It's gotten to the point where I've started to neglect my health. I don't remember the last time I worked out. I was ordering food like twice a day. It's not good to just focus on one thing and neglect everything else in your life. It's not healthy. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know I'm a really spiritual person. I stopped meditating. I stopped doing my breathing exercises because all I was focused on was doing work. I was so hyper focused on making content, building my platforms. That's all I wanted to do. And just that amount of focus on one thing is never good because you start neglecting the other things in your life. Everything needs balance, guys. I had no balance. I was wobbly, right? So I'm gonna take a couple weeks off just to regain my balance. I'm in a privileged place where I can take 2 weeks off work and nothing bad's gonna happen to me. So if you're in a similar position to me, I encourage you, please take some time off, please. I'm gonna overline my lips with this NYX lip pencil, if it'll ever focus. This is their lip pencil in hot cocoa. I always overline my lips because I want to look like a Bratz doll. You're gonna wanna overline just the top of your lips with a cupid's bow and this bottom part here. And then you just follow your natural lip line for the rest. But only overline up here and down here. And I'm gonna take the iconic NYX Butter Gloss. I know you heard of this, girl, okay? This is the color Praline. This is like the super black girl friendly one, and it just gives you that natural glow on your lips for the piece de resistance. You're gonna go in and clean up a little bit with the concealer. And we're done. Just kidding. I'm not gonna leave my hair like this. Say hello to my little friend. I pulled this wig out of the archives. She was sitting in a box real dusty, and I washed her last night because I feel like just having big curly hair. So that's really it, guys. That was a bit of a life update for you. What's been going on with me? Where have I been? Where am I going? Where did I come from? Where did I go? Where did I come from? Cotton Eye Joe. This was just a really quick update video. I will be having more regularly scheduled programming coming soon. Thanks again to Walmart for sponsoring this video. But now I'm gonna go take a break because everyone deserves to go take a break sometimes. And I've been working nonstop for I don't even remember the last time I took a break. So I'm gonna sleep in and eat waffles. And thank you guys so much for watching. I know my life was not that interesting. So if you did make it all the way to the end of this video, I love ya. And I will see you in the next one, which is just gonna be in 2 seconds because you're just gonna click one of these. And then it's so easy. It's so easy just to click clack one of those and you can just keep watching me forever and never ever stop. And don't forget that I love ya so much.